Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another 4 fall outfits that I was inspired to recreate from my Pinterest board using my own wardrobe. So I feel like I'm really in the fall spirit. We have dropped out of the 90s and I feel like I'm able to really dive in. I know I've tiptoed, done some fall transitions, but this is like truly more layers, sweaters, and whatnot. So I'm excited. We've got some cool trends in here. Got some of my newer pieces included in as well, which has inspired. You guys know I build my fall wish list and like what I want to purchase based off of things that I see. So if you're not on Pinterest, girl, what are you doing? I was having a conversation with one of my girlfriends this weekend and she was like, she really struggles with that. I'm like, she's not a social media girl though, but I'm like, Pinterest is not like normal social media. It is the best thing in the world. So anyway, let's dive in. Let's start with look number 1. We've got a denim tuxedo, or Canadian tuxedo, whatever you want to call it, denim on denim, different colors, which I'm excited about. So yeah, let's put this together. So I'm first going to put on my dark Levi 501s. I don't think they make this color anymore. Apparently they discontinue a lot of their colors, which I did not know about, but a good like kind of darker wash will get the job done with this. Okay. Next up, now that we've got these on, let's put on like a medium wash top in denim. My Old Navy one will get the job done for this, I think. Oh my God, you guys, I'm going to edit my vlog, I promise. I think it'll go up, this is gonna go up on Wednesday, so I think that's gonna go up on Thursday. Which, guys, I did so much with our dining room. It's like my first room that I felt like just so excited about. So yeah, get ready for that. I'm like really pumped about how it turned out. It's not done by any means, but it's really getting somewhere. I did wallpaper, all the things, so check it out, check it out, check it out. I'm so excited. But yeah, I feel like that's what I've been getting up to. I did that most of the end of last week, like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I was like painting, and then on Friday I did the wallpaper, and then on Sunday I finished it, I think. Yeah, Sunday I finished it. So, and then we hung the different lights. We've got our table. I'm just like really, really excited. It reminds me of this joke that my one assistant manager used to say. He'd be like, what type of pants does Mario wear? He'd be like, denim, denim, denim. I'm like, oh my God, he drove me crazy, okay? Crazy. Anyways, we're in. I think this is already starting to come together very cute. We're mixing metals because you guys know I'm a gold and silver kind of girly. So she has like a giant silver cuff and a lot of like layered bracelets. So I'm gonna move my gold over to this side and leave my silver on this. Only because we're going to do, well, I really want this silver cuff to kind of like stand out. Very cool. I'm very into bracelets recently. Like, it is my thing. I mean, it's been that way for a while now, but very into them. And then she has a necklace. Hers is in silver, but I figured we could tie it in with the gold and we can make it work. So this little like pendant type of thing. And we've got the gold earrings as well. So coming together. Okay, I do not know what shoes she's wearing, but I am gonna go with my little brown braided flats just because I'm gonna go with my brown bag. I was gonna go with my black bag, but I think the brown with the brown shoes works better. And these jeans do look good with flats. Like, even though these are kind of longer on me, I still think they look good with flats. Okay, sorry, one more thing. 2 more things. I'm like grabbing my bag. I'm not even there yet. She has a sweater over the shoulder. So I'm just gonna take this little navy cardigan from H&M and throw that over the shoulders. I need to organize my closet a little bit better. Would you guys want to see that video? Is that a vlog channel thing? Probably a vlog channel thing. Anyway, this is already becoming so cute. I love layering for fall. I love it. Okay, she's brown sunnies, but I'm gonna go more with like the shape. And then if you know the trick, you know the trick. You put it in your bra, and that's also gonna help with gaping. Okay, so anyways, cute. I don't know what she's doing with her hair, but I'm just gonna kind of keep mine in a clip and push it behind. And then she has a clutch. And this is it. I think this is adorable. I love this so much. Very fall, very layered. I actually just booked my tickets to go to Chicago at the end of this month because I was like, girl, it's like 20 days away, so you should probably get going on that, like 3 weeks. So I was like, I'll do that, and then it'll really get me in the fall spirit because I'll be able to wear all of these cute clothes. I can't wait. Hopefully it's not like a heat wave. Odds are it will be, but I guess that's better than snowing, right? I don't want to pack coats. This is everything. I think this outfit, I think we nailed it. I think it looks just as cute. Different, obviously, but I think just as cute. So this was look number 1. What do y'all think? Yes, no, maybe so. I think we nailed it. Let's move on to look number 2. Okay, look number 2 is not going to be exact because I don't have that exact piece. I'm definitely, that is still like on my wish list, is more striped collared shirts like this. I just don't have them right now, so we're gonna go with the stripes that I do have and how I kind of will recreate that look in my own way. So let's still do it. I think we're still gonna be able to get the same kind of gist, but it's gonna be a little bit different. Let's pop on my A Goldie, I think they're the Luna. They're like the tapered barrel type of jean. Let's put those on, and then we'll chit chat and get the rest done. These are some of my all-time favorite jeans. Oh, they're buttons, though not zipper. So just kind of like a loose white jean. She might be wearing these exact ones, I have no idea. And then I'm gonna put on a striped long sleeve. Like I said, it's not gonna be exactly hers. Hers is like a polo style. And even the colors aren't similar, but I still think it gets the same kind of gist. And I still wanna wear this, so that's what we're gonna do. So this is giving very baggy on baggy, so let's give it a little shape by tucking up one of the corner just so you can see your waist a little. I think makes a huge difference. She's wearing flip-flops, which is very Dallas because it's still warm. And I think she's just wearing a rubber pair, but I think the brown leather makes it kind of a little more elevated / transition for fall. Okay, so there's that. And then she has some sunnies on. We're gonna use the same sunnies I had in the last outfit. She has kind of a woven bag. I'm still very much into woven bags, so we're gonna go with my maroon one. So this, I think, adds a little fun pop to it, but this is the look. Obviously, so different than hers. Not the same whatsoever, but same kind of like look, just different pieces. And that's how it is, you know? Inspiration, not replication. Like, I liked the stripes and the whites, and I love her woven bag. I just made it my own with the pieces I already have, but I do eventually want pieces like those. Cute. Okay, that was look number 2. Let's move on to look number 3. Look number 3 I'm excited about. It's a cardigan layered t-shirt type of thing, and then a fun print. She, I believe, has like a snake print belt. We're gonna do my cow print belt because I'm excited. So the base of this outfit is like a lighter wash pair of jeans. So I'm gonna go in with my, can you guess it? My Uniqlo JW Anderson collab. So I could have done my A Goldie Lana because those are really good too. They're like more of a little bit of a fitted look, but that's what I reached for today, and we're not surprised. Let's put on a little white tee. Give it a tuck so we can put on our belt and show that off. I'm so excited about this little cow print belt. The quality, like I said, not great, but I think will still look really cute. Okay, base is on. I don't know what shoes she's wearing. I think I'm gonna put on my boat shoes though. Let's see how I feel about them. Still have yet to like change out the laces, but cute. Okay, dude, we've been having the rainiest fall, a rainiest summer, like ever. I mean, it's not fall yet. No, it's not fall until like end of the month. But it has rained like buckets around here, which is absolutely crazy. I feel like our summer has been so weird in Texas. But anyway, I have this little like oatmeal sweater that I got years ago from Old Navy. So let's pop that on. Typically I like a full, like a crew neck one and not a V-neck one, but let's see. I think hers is V-neck. Let's see how it looks layered and styled. It works. It's a little slouchy, oversized. This is very comfortable. This is really cute. Very comfortable, very cozy. I feel like this is just like a very go-to basic outfit, but like fun with the belt. I don't know. I really like it. Great layers. Love how it's all kind of in the light family, like tonal. like light jeans, white tee, light sweater, like very light, but layered and very, like I feel like an oatmeal cream pie in this outfit. I love this. Very cute, very girly, very simple, but so good. All right, so that was look number 3. Let's move on to the 4th and final look. All right, I showed this exact outfit in my like first fall Pinterest video I did, like outfits I can't wait to recreate. And so yes, I'm so excited to finally create it. And I didn't have a tee quite like this, and I didn't even realize when I bought this that like I was subconsciously buying it for this outfit because it is that good. I mean, not this exact outfit, but I wanted something like this. So when I saw it in the store, I was like, girl, get it. You can get it. Okay, let's put on our other color for JW Anderson, darkest wash that they have. Let's pop those on. So these are basically a rinse pair of jeans. Let's pop these on, and I'm gonna wear my little fuzzy hairy flats from my recent H&M haul because they're so cute. I just think they're really fun. I love them. Okay, and then she still has her hair up in a clip, so say less. All right, then I'm gonna put on my little boxy white sweater tee from Uniqlo. Like so crispy, I love this. Love this. Is that a weird way to describe an outfit, is crispy? Such as life. Okay, let's put on our little Target belt, which has honestly been one of the best things I ever bought. And this is basically the look, like very simple, very basic. Like I said, I have no idea what she was wearing, but these I think are really cool. And then she has some black glasses on. Adorable. I love this. This is like cropped but not cropped. Like it's cropped because so you can still see the belt, but not cropped in a way where you can see the stomach, which I love. So obsessed with this piece. This is a very cute, very, very me outfit, if you will. Just like an elevated jeans and a white tee to perfection. So that was it. And then she has a bag, but probably that doesn't work. Probably just wear this, but yeah, that was like me before. All right, you guys, so that's it. Those were my 4 fall Pinterest outfits that I recreated using my own wardrobe. Again, the whole purpose of this is to get inspired by our own wardrobe and use what we have. And when you really truly understand your style, it's easy to kind of look at pictures and get inspiration, and because you've built the wardrobe that you love, it makes getting dressed so fun, so easy, and just like, I don't know, sparks some sort of juice in me that keeps me going and then inspires me in ways that I just couldn't have imagined. But truly, getting dressed and building the perfect outfit is a muscle. You have to use it or you don't understand it. And it's one of those things, like, as simple as putting an outfit together may seem, it's actually not that easy. I'm realizing that with home decorations, I just do not have a natural eye for that, as some people really do. And the two are not one and the same. You know what I mean? Just because I can put together an outfit does not mean I can put together a room. Some people just have an insane knack for it, which is why, like, use Pinterest to help you with that. I've used it so many ways, home, recipes, anything like that. And then you build your own from it. And I think that's the beautiful thing about social media, if you use it the right way, is to get inspiration and, you know, build off of it as a creative spark that you may need. But anyways, I always love to know what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below, as always. I don't know, I think this one might be my favorite. I really loved the first one too. I really loved all of them, hence why I picked them. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye.